What's going on, guys? This is Litek and Whyjay, and we're going to show you how to go from bedroom producer to successful hit makers. You're going to learn what it really takes to get your fat kicks, punchy snares, from the hi-hats to the percussions to the melodic elements.
Everything together, including the ear candy, what it takes to make a track sound like a proper track and make some hits.
We'll dissect some of our top tracks for Aitch, Pa Salieu, ArrDee and more.
So we're going to give you our top tips, what you need to consider when you're trying to get in the industry and climb to that top point that we're all trying to get to.